Hi guys, Phil back here with another review, and this is of the International 656 hydrostatic tractor. It is put out by the Toy Tractor Times, as you can see right here. It is an Ertl, but it's sponsored by Toy Tractor Times. So there you go, you got it on the front here. Nice picture of it. Ertl down here. Case IH down here. On the top, you got like from an old brochure, the cutaway diagram of the tractor, and a little bit of reading there. On the side here, you got a guy forage harvesting some corn. Back is the same as the front. And over here, you got him making hay, I think. No, doing something in the field. So it's a cool box. I like boxes that show like real pictures and stuff out of the real brochures on them. So let's get into this. So here it is, guys, wrapped up in plastic. Do my knife. Hold on a second. There it is, guys. That's pretty sweet looking. Oh, twisty ties. Don't seem to be that hard to get the twisty ties off, but who knows. There we go. I don't want to break it. Maybe I lied. These twisty ties are pretty hard. Come on, get out of here. There we go. Jesus, tough. And you have to untwist them off the tractor, jeez. They really don't want you stealing this one. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it's very detailed. Just awesome tractor here. Okay, here we go. So it's a 656 hydro. So you can see there, you got your pumps and all your lines and stuff. Nice decal here. Nice decals overall. Hard plastic muffler. Looks good. Test the steering. Steers, yes. There's you got your grill there with your IH emblem in the middle, and this is etched out. It is cut. It's not a decal, it's actually plastic. On the top there, you got your caps, your diesel back here, your radiator cap there with a hood ornament. On your fenders here, you got black where your handles are, and they're actually cut out as a handle. You got your 4 headlights across here. Black and white seat It's not squishy or anything, but it is very detailed. Your steering wheel. And you got a light back here, and this is a radio, and it does come with an antenna. It's in the box, I do believe. It should have an antenna on there, and you can see there's the detail on the radio. There you go, detail on the radio. And you got your throttle lever, and your shifter, your hydro, and some other levers and stuff, and your brakes, and your clutch and such. More detail on this side with the manifold. And there is a plastic toolbox on the side there, so that's a cool detail. On the back here, you have your PTO that does work, PTO up and down. This would make your PTO spin, or it would engage it and disengage it. 3-point hitch does go up and down, and you do have a top link here with your rear light. It does have a small hitch, so you wouldn't be able to pull every 1/64 or 1/16 scale implement, but that's okay. Still, I think if you're just going to put this on a shelf, it's a great model. Right here, where you see this little square, right there, that is the serial number plate. And as you can see, there's decals on the side there, and right here there's a big safety decal, so that's cool. That'd just be like right where it was on the real tractor. Overall, this is a great model. There's a few more pieces here. Hang on a second. I'm not going to open these, but as you can see, it does come with weights. They are actually weights, and they would go on the front weight bracket here. But I'm not going to take them out of the package because I'm going to put it back in the box. So, this has been Farmer Phil from Farmer Phil's Toy Barn, saying that the International 656, made by Ertl for the Toy Tractor Times, is a great model to have in your collection, and you should pick it up if you can find it. Well, of course you can find it. It's brand new. So, if you see this somewhere, get it. It's a good model. Thanks for watching. Farmer Phil, signing off.